Let's check someone who checked my paper when I gave this paper. Okay, now this is obviously ITCC. I gave O levels, but same. Who cares? I will check it with a pink marker. So, what is it? I don't care. I do not read. Okay, I just go. Boom. They done it. Okay, they haven't done it. Uh, Slime them out. B1 for correct shape and distinct minimum in fourth quadrant and distinct maximum in the first quadrant. No turning over at the end points, suggesting first stationary points. So what you get say B1. Now B1 for 1, 2.5 and 5 on the x-axis or stated. Independent mark for critical values seen correctly marked on the x-axis and or stated with no contradiction and no other critical x values. B1 for 25 marked correctly with no y-axis or stated with no contradiction independent mark. Okay, good. Yay. This is a bit what ahead is this? This is 5 over 6? No, this is 2 somehow. So B1 so you get 3 full, 2 full. Next. Okay, let's step through this one at a time. P of -2 is equals to this expression. We see this expression. Okay, B1 we can use a marker, right? What's a highlighter for? Highlight a key point in the working. Allow the comments to be entered at the bottom of RM marking window, then displayed when the associated question item is navigated to. Allow comments to be entered in speech bubbles on the candidate response. What's that? Premature rounding or approximation special case. Yeah, this is the good ones. I will use a highlighter for clarity. I like to be big. The bigger the better. Remember, guys. That should be a code in life. The bigger the better. And better things come in big sizes. P of -1 meaning -2 plus A minus 18 plus B. -2 plus is equals to 6. Okay, this is B1 also. Okay, and what do we get? A is equals to 7. Where is it? A is equals to 7, B is equals to 14. Okay, this is 2 marks. So 4 marks overall. Solve for the equations obtained as at least one value must be using P2. Like so, technically M2 method 2 marks. Next is 2B. We want to factorize this. Seen or implied that what this equation is set to 0. Yeah. Correct attempt to solve correct use of discriminant on the quadratic factor or correct attempt to solve the quadratic factor equated to 0 with valid conclusion. For FT on a quadratic factor must have a negative discriminant and have a correct value if evaluated. So the discriminant is a negative indeed, yes, and we state that the this is 0 or implied to be, hence we can see this is a implied 0 because we are solving for it, you're solving this. Now x plus 2 is a yes, a real factor, but solving this quadratic here, this means something. This means that okay, by this quadratic factor we get this discriminant being then 0, meaning this is a negative number, meaning what? This is not this only has one factor, one root. So these are the steps that we mark it upon if we are watching it at A plus or yeah, this is B1 Why is it not picking up? B1. Then we get A plus 1 over R. Yeah. What the hell is this? A plus A1 over R is equals to 25. What the hell? Where is this? Yeah. No, this is squared. And yeah, I do not know what's that. I do not know what's this. You know? Yeah. This is the second one. The third one is R squared is equals to 16 over 25. And this is, we mark on previous B part marks. 4 plus 5 or 0.8. Yeah, this is, you can see this is like full marks. Then A is equals to 5 or 2.45, 2 whole marks. Then we got question number 4. We have if this is our final expression. 2 marks. Yay. 2 marks. Yay. B1 for if we get this. So P is equals negative 5 over 4 or P is equals to negative 5 over 4 or X is greater than equals to negative 5 over 4. Who cares? B1. So what do you get? This similar of a graph and it is pixelated as fuck. B1 for y is equals to f of x drawn as 1 to 1 function in the first, second, third quadrants or first and second quadrants must have a correct curvature. Dependent B mark. Yeah, you can see like so. Dependent B mark on for y is equals to f prime f inverse as a reflection of their y is equals to f of x in the line y is equals to y is equals to x. So this is B1. B1 may be implied by intercepts but must have a correct curvature. Yeah. Where for y is equals to f of x k passing through x is equals to negative 1. Negative 1? Oh hell no. Oh no. Oh. Seen or implied, allow if domain is unrestricted but must have correct quadratic shape or curvature. Passing through y is equals to 3 only in y-axis, seen or implied, allow if domain is B1. Yeah, B1 for this last one. Now, he will have out of 3 marks. I'm sorry. F prime must be the same. 3 to 4 marks. I do not know if he gets 4 marks. But I'm sorry that he does not get this mark because he has it on negative a quarter. How on earth do you get a quarter? How? No, genuinely, how? What is this? 5a. Natural log of, so 3 marks. So we have many terms. Equivalent correct single log base TD10. So what do we want to see? Log of a to the 5 or 1000 b to the 4. Okay, 3 marks. It's correct at least. Part B. Seen or equivalent. We have log base 5 prime plus 1 b1 leading to log base 5 plus minus 1. What is this? What the hell? What the helly? What the hell? What the hell? There's like many alternative methods. He forgot. At least one solution may be implied by substitution. Yes, oh my god. Dude, what the hell? Special case B1 if quote spotted from a correct equation. A0 if rejected or crossed out. So he gets A1 only. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. How did they fit the alternative methods though? Really, thinking about that. So quadratic leading to this valid attempt to solve obtain two values for x. So we can see it does indeed converge to that point, to that question. X is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 3. This is M1 and A1 for M1 A1. Then this is this one leading to this value sorting. Yeah. Then we have plus minus or equivalent 2. Yeah, 5. Nice. 6, 7. Gradient of AB is equals to 6, 8 or implied of B1 for 2 correct and simplifying. Negative 2, 14 or equivalent. Negative 8, 16 or equivalent. Correct. Center is 5, 3. What the hell is this? Yeah, B1. Radius is equal to 50 squared or equivalent or seen or implied to or equivalent A1 full marks. Bravo. The answer to this is so correct shape B1. Dependent B1 for curve passing to x is equal to negative 0.5 or equivalent on the x-axis or shaded and no other points on the x-axis. Yeah. For curve passing to y is equal to 5 natural log of 3 or stated and no other points. For x is equal to negative 3 over 4 or equivalent shown on the graph or stated as the equation of the asymptote may be implied by a dotted or straight vertical line through x is equal to negative 3 over 4 is not a dependent mark. Yay. B1 f prime is equal to this equation. I like the plus c that they use in like times. Okay, it's like a bit cute. Times Roman is like a bit cute, but I prefer using text gyres, plus c, 2 marks for this and 2 marks for seen or implied. Yay, damn. A1 for unsimplified. Then f is equals to yay. Where is this? Where are we? Dude. When f prime is equals to 0, x is equals to negative 2. Where are we? Where is this the normal derivative? I see this. I see y is equal to 0. This is outdated, out of the box commentary. Okay, out of the page commentary. This is unaccepted. This is prime. This is in its prime. Okay, 2. C is equal to 3. 2. Okay, this is out of the box. Out of working. So I hope. Okay, I do not recommend you do working outside the region. Okay, this is very risky because earlier you guys see You guys saw the marking scheme said like something like outside the working, outside like this border. You guys see like this border. If it's like outside here, then you're cooked, like partially cooked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, wow. Come on, man. You had like more space. Oh my god. 9B. Excuse me? Son. There's no working. I'm sorry. There's like no working for it. Then, what do we see? What do we see? This all collapsed to 2. There's no seen or implied. Integral of 2d equals to 2 theta seen or implied. Okay. And him plugging in, what's this? Plugging in the value of 3 pi and 2 pi is equals to k thingy, k is equals to 2 theta, dependent on marks. Yeah, good. What is this? This is like m. It's not pi. Dude, fix your pi. I won't be eating it if it looks like that. It's like 3 marks. Leading to 7 times 6 n is equal to 40. This is like B1. It's like 2 marks. N. I'm lost. This is 7 prime 5 n plus 2 n minus 4 in the denominator, son. Why is it plus 1? N times 4. Okay. Hopefully this is the equation that it's telling us. I will call this 2. Be a bit more good, at like showing. If you're like on your tablet, then 100% you should fix your handwriting. The derivative when x is equal to 0. Sorry. Okay, yeah, this is like 3 marks. Or this is and A1 for this. Damn, barely any working. You see, like math marking seems a bit sussy. 1 for the use of, oh my god. By FT on follow through on 0.5 times 1 over day negative quarter, and this is at negative 2, and this is the answer A1. He didn't state it. Okay, I suggest you circle in your answers like your final statements. Sine of x is equal, theta is equal to 2 minus x over 3. B1 shorting. Then y is equals to 3 cosine sine squared, seen or implied. Use of sine squared plus cosine squared. Oh, this is like a bit of a big chunky ball. Y is equals to 3. Input this big of a mess. Yeah, you can see he's trying to fix it. And the final answer is this thingy, or equivalent, depending on both being 1 marks. I will call this B1. Fuck it. This is what? 9 over 2 minus x squared minus 1 times 3. This is 27 over 3. And this is minus 2 times. Why is there no cosine? Why is this still cosine squared? Sunyan, this is still cosine squared. This is not in terms of x. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. This is not in terms of x. Yeah. Let's find its total marks. You guys have like a calculator?
Plenty of property damage, no serious injuries.
Oh, I hope I do not get copyright. I'm just watching YouTube Shorts. I do not know why it opens up on YouTube Shorts. It didn't used to do that, by the way. But anyways, if you want to know what I'm watching, what I was watching, it's like Gideon Jimison something. Plus 3 plus 5. Comment down below if you guys want me to check yours. Okay. 11 whole marks. That's like a big thing. Five. No, this is wrong. I made a mistake over here. I made a mistake somewhere. So if the marking is like a bit wrong, okay, if the total is a bit wrong, then I'm incredibly sorry. Oh, damn. Oh, God. Yo. Hey, yo. He's cranking all 74 marks. Well done. 74 out of 80. Let's see if it's actually the correct. Okay, like if we lost 6 marks, then that means it proves he didn't get this much. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, he lost 6 marks. So 74 out of 80. Have fun. Like, subscribe and share, and comment down below what paper should I do next. I don't have like I think I will do some math past papers. Okay. I bought like math past papers during practice, and I didn't really do the earlier paper, like the a bit modern papers. I was stuck doing 2015 to 2019. I still need my refund for the math yearlies 2020 to 2025. Okay. 2020 to 2024. Yeah, I'm looking at you, that spot. Mark. Oh no. MS Books. Yeah, MS Books. They didn't send me my math yearlies. Unfortunate. Yeah. Well, bye.